Good morning everyone. Today we are here in this beautiful location surrounded by the Uganian hills to present to you our new product from the Energreen range. Here it is, our compact robot, an ultra-compact machine just 1 meter wide and about 80 centimeters high, agile enough to move in tight and restricted spaces. It is equipped with a 900 cubic centimeter 3-cylinder Kubota engine with 25 horsepower. This is a multifunctional machine with the ability to attach various types of equipment such as a cutter bar, a bucket, a sweeper, or a stump grinder. Another distinctive feature is our oscillating track. It can be mechanically engaged or disengaged, allowing us to work even on uneven terrain. The machine weighs 560 kilograms, and thanks to this, it allows us to tackle extreme slopes of up to 61 degrees. Alright guys, now let's go ahead and start up the machine. First, we carefully activate the battery. Then we release the emergency stop button. Next, we proceed to turn on the remote control. And finally, we establish a connection between the remote control and the machine. And we start the engine. Now let's get to work. One thing to keep in mind, to make operations on slopes easier, you can lighten the weight of the mulcher by adjusting these two springs here. Once we activate the floating function on the remote control, as you can clearly see, the machine has successfully finished its work, even though we encountered very uneven and challenging terrain, which was full of scattered stones and deep holes, some possibly made by wild animals. Anyway, this is the final result of our work. Now we are in Montagnana, under the gate, Padova, and we are about to start mowing operations along the castle walls. Alright guys, now we will proceed with cleaning this part of the moat. RoboCOMPACT, once again, thanks to its agility in maneuvering through tight spaces, has completed its work.